What if the wrong pixie cut is secretly making you look older, and the right one could take years off instantly? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll know exactly which pixie cut works for your face shape, hair type, and lifestyle. So you stop guessing and finally choose the one that actually flatters you. Let's break this down simply, clearly, and honestly. But before we get specific, let me tell you about the basics about pixie cuts. When it comes to pixie cuts, three things matter most. Where the length sits shapes the face and can soften features or make them look harsher. Texture determines whether hair looks full or flat, especially as hair naturally becomes finer over time. And maintenance decides whether the cut fits your real lifestyle or becomes frustrating to keep up with. When these three align, a pixie looks intentional, flattering, and easy to live with. Once these three things line up, length placement, texture, and maintenance, everything starts to make sense. You stop chasing trends and start choosing cuts that actually support your features and your lifestyle. With that foundation in place, let's move into the different pixie styles and break down what each one really does for your face and your hair. This is the timeless, softly shaped pixie that many women naturally picture first. It is shorter around the sides and back, with gentle length left on top to keep the look balanced and feminine. Nothing about this cut feels extreme, which is exactly why it has stayed popular for decades. For women over 50, the classic pixie works especially well if you have fairly balanced features and an oval or heart-shaped face. Straight to slightly wavy hair tends to sit nicely in this shape without needing much effort. It is also one of the more forgiving pixie styles when it comes to daily styling, making it a low to medium maintenance option that still looks polished. What makes this cut so appealing at this stage of life is how it softens the face. The clean lines keep everything neat, while the longer top prevents the cut from looking too severe. It naturally draws attention to the eyes and cheekbones and gives an overall elegant, confident impression. This is the kind of haircut that looks intentional even on days when you do very little. Now, once you are comfortable with that clean and classic shape, it becomes easier to explore pixie styles that add a bit more structure and edge. The cropped pixie is shorter, tighter, and noticeably more modern than a classic pixie. The sides and back are cut close to the head, while the top is kept very minimal and controlled. This creates a clean silhouette that feels sharp and intentional rather than soft or layered. For women over 50, this style works best if you have a petite frame, defined bone structure, or naturally straight hair that lies smoothly. It is a true wash-and-go cut for many women, which makes it appealing if you prefer simplicity. That said, it does need regular trims to keep the shape crisp, otherwise it can quickly lose its impact. What this pixie does best is add structure to the face. The shorter length highlights cheekbones, jawlines, and the eyes, giving the overall look a confident, no-nonsense feel. It reads modern and self-assured, especially for women who like their style clean and unfussy. Once you move past this ultra-neat shape, it opens the door to pixie styles that introduce more texture and movement, which can be especially helpful if your hair is finer or tends to fall flat. Layered pixies are designed to create shape and lift in areas where many women over 50 begin to notice a loss of volume. The haircut uses carefully stacked layers through the crown and upper back of the head to give the hair natural fullness without relying on teasing, heavy styling products, or excessive effort. This layering technique allows the hair to move freely while still maintaining a polished, intentional look. This style is especially beneficial for hair that has become fine, thinner, or less dense with age. It works beautifully on round or square face shapes because the added height and movement of the layers visually balances the fuller areas of the face, creating a more proportional and youthful silhouette. For many women, this cut feels like a breath of fresh air because it restores the appearance of thicker hair without requiring hours of styling or daily effort. What makes a layered pixie so flattering is its ability to soften the overall look of the face and hair. The layers prevent the style from appearing flat or boxy, instead creating a light, airy, and dynamic shape. It adds structure and definition without harsh lines, which is why so many women over 50 find it both youthful and practical. This cut not only enhances volume, but also gives the hair a sense of movement and personality, making it easy to wear, versatile for different occasions, and stylish without looking overdone. Once you are comfortable with that added volume, the next step is exploring pixie styles that keep fullness but introduce a bit more texture and personality. Textured pixies are designed to look relaxed, effortless, and a little undone in the best way. The cut relies on choppy ends and uneven layers to create movement rather than a perfectly smooth finish. This gives the hair a natural flow that feels modern and easy. For women over 50, this style works especially well on fine to medium hair that tends to fall flat. The added texture helps the hair lift away from the scalp, creating the appearance of more volume without heavy styling. Maintenance sits in the middle range, but daily styling is usually quick and forgiving. What makes a textured pixie so flattering is the softness it brings to the face. The movement keeps the cut from looking stiff or overly polished, which can sometimes feel aging. Instead, the hair looks fuller, lighter, and more youthful, even on casual days. Once you understand how texture changes the look and feel of a pixie, it becomes easier to appreciate styles that work with natural curls and waves. A curly pixie is carefully shaped to work with your natural curl pattern instead of fighting it. The cut is designed to manage bulk on the sides while maintaining lift and definition through the top, which allows curls to fall in a flattering, balanced way. This approach ensures that the hair looks intentional and styled, even on days when you do very little with it. The result is a haircut that enhances natural texture and movement while keeping the overall look polished. For women over 50 with naturally curly or wavy hair, this style can feel incredibly freeing. It is especially flattering on oval, heart, and longer face shapes, where the curls can soften facial proportions and add dimension. When cut properly, curls fall into place with minimal effort, making daily styling much easier and more manageable. It also allows for versatility, as you can wear it slightly tousled for a casual look or define the curls more for a polished finish. What makes a curly pixie particularly beautiful at this stage of life is the way it softens facial features while adding a feminine, youthful energy. The natural movement of the curls adds warmth and personality to the face, while the texture ensures that graying curls look intentional, elegant, and stylish rather than unruly. This haircut feels confident, modern, and approachable, giving women over 50 a playful yet sophisticated look that works in everyday life as well as for special occasions. Once you embrace that softness and movement, it becomes easier to explore pixie styles that keep a bit more length for added versatility. The long pixie is a versatile haircut that sits perfectly between a traditional pixie and a short bob. It keeps more length in the bangs or front layers, while the back and sides are shorter and carefully shaped. This balance creates a soft, flexible look that feels approachable and elegant rather than drastic or severe. It is a style that allows women over 50 to enjoy a chic, youthful appearance without feeling like they have lost too much length all at once. For many women over 50, the long pixie is a favorite when transitioning from longer hairstyles. It feels familiar and reassuring, especially for those who have worn medium to long hair for most of their adult life. The style is flattering on a wide variety of face shapes and works well with most hair types, which is one reason it continues to be a top choice in salons and styling guides for mature women. What makes the long pixie especially flattering is how it frames the face. The extra length in the front softens the forehead and subtly highlights the eyes, drawing attention to features that make you feel confident and polished. It also provides significant styling freedom. You can wear it sleek and smooth for a professional or polished look, tousled slightly for a relaxed, casual style, or tucked behind the ears for a simple, effortless appearance. This versatility allows the long pixie to work for day-to-day life, social events, or special occasions, making it a truly practical and stylish option. Once you are comfortable with that versatility, it opens the door to pixie styles that feel a bit more modern and unexpected. The asymmetrical pixie is a haircut where one side is left longer than the other, creating natural contrast and eye-catching interest. This style adds a subtle touch of drama while remaining sophisticated and wearable, making it a perfect choice for women who want a look that is stylish but not overwhelming. For women over 50, this cut works especially well on round or fuller faces. The longer side helps elongate the face and adds definition, which can be very flattering as cheeks or jawlines soften with age. It is also an excellent option for anyone who enjoys hair that makes a statement and reflects personality without being too extreme. The maintenance is moderate, requiring regular trims to keep the angles precise and the shape looking intentional, which helps the style stay polished over time. What makes an asymmetrical pixie so flattering is how it naturally draws the eye along a diagonal line. This visual effect slims the face, adds structure, and introduces a modern, fashion-forward edge that looks stylish and intentional without feeling harsh. It is a confident, versatile haircut that balances creativity with elegance, giving women over 50 a look that is youthful, refined, and full of personality. Once you understand asymmetry, the next step is exploring the boldest pixie option, which takes confidence and structure to the next level. Undercut pixies are bold, contemporary haircuts that feature shaved or very short sections underneath longer top layers. The contrast between the closely cropped undercut and the longer hair on top creates natural movement and adds structure, giving the hairstyle a fresh, edgy, and highly modern appearance. This is a style that immediately stands out while still being versatile enough to wear in a variety of settings, from casual to professional. For women over 50, this style works particularly well on thick hair that can support the longer layers without appearing flat or heavy. It also complements angular face shapes beautifully, as the undercut balances strong jawlines and highlights cheekbones and eyes. This makes the haircut ideal for women who are confident and want a hairstyle that reflects personality and style. The maintenance is higher than most pixie cuts because the shaved sections require regular trims to stay sharp, and the longer layers need care to maintain shape and movement. What makes the undercut so striking is how it instantly lightens areas where hair can look heavy and removes bulk in strategic spots. The effect is modern, playful, and sophisticated all at once. It adds a sense of drama and personality that is difficult to achieve with traditional pixie cuts. Once you embrace the boldness of an undercut, it opens up creative styling possibilities, including asymmetrical arrangements, textured looks, or even soft waves, giving you a haircut that is as versatile as it is stylish. So now tell me, which pixie style do you feel fits your personality and lifestyle best? And if this video helped you see your options more clearly, you will love this next one.